Okay, so here's the first way to track the Drew and Jones Industrial Average, or DJI.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Historical annual data, go to yahoofinance.com for this website. I'll leave the link in the description. As you can see here, we are currently on historical data on the top left hand screen, which will be around the 5th option. And you can see all of the historical data for DJI completely for free as far as the open and the close. The next website is actually more better. In my opinion, I prefer it because you can see 100-year historical data chart. You can go to the search bar and type in DJI. In this case, it's DJIA, and it's this one, 100-year historical data. And as you can see, it dates back all the way until 1916 up until the present, and you have every annual change as far as the year right here, completely for free.